Hey guys, Small Kiwi here for Gamepedia with a new installment of Lore Junkies, taking a look at the story of Thrall.
The spirits are restless.
What we know of Thrall's story begins when Aedelas Blackmoor discovered the infant orc amongst the slain bodies of the Frostwolf clan around the end of the Second War. Blackmoor took young Thrall to the orcish internment camps where he raised Thrall to be the ultimate gladiator, through harsh physical and martial training, but also giving him the education of a human noble. Thrall was befriended by Taretha Foxton, a young girl in Blackmoor's service who wrote letters to Thrall to keep his spirits up, and would eventually help him escape Durnhold by setting fire to the keep, creating a distraction for the guards, and allowing Thrall to sneak away in the chaos. Thrall set out intending to find any free orcs he could, and along his journey he learned of the demonic bloodlust set upon the orcs by the traitor Gul'dan, which drove the orcs to war and aggression. Later he met the last undefeated orc leader, Grom Hellscream, leader of the Warsong clan. From Hellscream, Thrall learned the orcish language and of his Frostwolf heritage, which prompted him to set out alone once again, this time in search of survivors of his clan. In the Alterac Mountains, Thrall found them. Their leader, Drekthar, a powerful shaman, taught Thrall to wield the elements as the first new orcish shaman since the First War. During his time among the Frostwolf, Thrall met the war chief of the Horde, Orgrim Doomhammer, who took Thrall under his wing and led him to save the orcs still imprisoned in the internment camps. The plan was successful, but cost Orgrim his life at the hands of the prison guards. As he lay dying, Orgrim entrusted the new orc horde to Thrall, as well as his armor and legendary Doomhammer. As the new war chief, Thrall confronted Blackmoor at Durnhold, demanding his surrender and the release of the remaining interned orcs. In defiance, Blackmoor produced the severed head of Thrall's first friend, Taretha Foxton, and hurled it at Thrall, branding them both traitors. Enraged, Thrall destroyed Durnhold with the help of the elements and bested Blackmoor in single combat, leaving him to die among the ruins. As leader of a new nation, Thrall set out to find a home for his people and set sail for the continent of Kalimdor. After a treacherous journey which divided the survivors, the new horde made contact with the Taurens, led by Cairn Bloodhoof. Cairn aided Thrall in seeking out the mysterious prophet who had guided the horde to Kalimdor, but was stymied at Stone Talon Peak by a battle raging between the surviving orcs under Grom Hellscream's command and the humans led by Jaina Proudmoore. Concerned by the new bloodlust afflicting his friend, Thrall sought out the Oracle of Stone Talon, who was in fact the prophet who had guided him on his journey. Here he found Jaina Proudmoore and Cairn Bloodhoof, and all were warned of the coming demonic invasion. Thrall agreed to cooperate in order to save his friend from the grip of a powerful new bloodlust brought on by the impending invasion. Upon returning to the Barrens, Thrall encountered the Warsong clan, bolstered by demons with Grom in command. After fighting his way through these hostile forces, Thrall faced Grom and subdued him, confining his essence to a soul gem. Later, by way of shaman ritual, Thrall purged Grom of the demonic influence, and the two set out to destroy Manaroth, the demonic pit lord whose blood had corrupted the orcs and caused their bloodlust. In Ashenvale, the two friends encountered the demon, and despite his strength, Thrall was bested.
Effort, but futile.
Manaroth then attempted to impose his will upon Grom once more, but failed spectacularly.
Thrall, the blood haze has lifted. The demon's fire has burnt out in my veins. I have freed myself. No, old friend. You've freed us all.
Azeroth's defeat, Thrall went on to lead his newly freed horde against the demonic invasion at Mount Hyjal, and following their victory, founded the Orcish city of Orgrimmar in the south of Kalimdor. Long after the founding of Orgrimmar, and after many years as war chief of the United Horde, Thrall visited his people's homeland of Draenor, and met the peaceful Magar orcs, where he met his grandmother, and began a journey that would ultimately see him relinquish the title of war chief, and take on the role of spiritual leader as chief shaman, the Earth Warder of Azeroth. If you enjoyed this brief look at the lore behind Thrall, or you have more questions about him, please let us know in the comments, and be sure to like the video below. For Gamepedia, my name has been Small Kiwi. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.